welcome to my channel. There are a lot of requests from my friends. They wanted me to make more videos on leaf craft. So here I am with a new video on the leaf craft. Today we will make the Krishna Govardhan Parvat lifting scene, which is close to our heart. Let's begin. Select any leaf, preferably a fallen one. Let's not pluck any leaf. Now watch how to cut step by step. So here first I am making a rough outline of my sketch. I am using a sharp blade. You can use a paper cutter or any other sharp knife. Those who are watching the video for the first time, please press the like button and give a like so that I can make more videos for you, and press the subscribe button to subscribe the channel. Leaf cutting is an interesting form of art where you are cutting a leaf and carving out structure which you want to make. So we have to see the structure of the leaf. Some of the leaves are hard and some are soft. The leaf which I have selected is a soft one. So I am making the outline, and after that I will cut one by one. The scene which I am carving out shows Lord Krishna lifting the Govardhan Parvat. So now I am cutting the lower part and I am trying to cut his dress along with his feet. The part of the leaf which I am cutting is showing the inner body structure of the figure, and the outer part of the body structure will be cut and removed. Now gently we will cut the part and peel out the portion which we want to remove. The folds in the cloth will be shown by cutting out into the main drawing, and the background will highlight the picture. Based on the type of leaf, we have to move and cut the leaf faster. If the leaf is a thin one, then it will lose the moisture, and after cutting it may fold up. If the leaf is a thick one, then it will take, you can cut it at your own speed. The leaf which I have selected is a thin one, so I have to cut fast and try to cut out the portions in a short time. Now I am cutting the hair of the figure. After I am cutting the hair of the figure, I have to leave the space around so that the hair are highlighted. Then the hair and the mountain are both merged together. Then the hand of Lord Krishna will be used for showing that he is lifting the mountain with his finger. If you find the cutting of leaf slightly difficult, you can practice on a paper, and then after that you can try out with the leaf. Now the cutting of the mountain I will start. The main mid-rib of the leaf is used for support so that the leaf does not fold. Now this portion of the leaf I want to be removed. The upper green portion of the leaf will be used as a mountain. In the Lord Krishna Govardhan mountain lifting scene, there were some figures, people were surrounding him, so that also will be shown. First, let's cut the mountain at the top. Now we will not cut the whole part. Here you will cut the upper part and the lower part. I make lot of videos on the different forms of art. You can subscribe the channel and watch the videos on sketching, watercolors, sculpture, digital art, cartooning, anatomy, carving, and lots more. Now after cutting, gently peel out the portion which you don't want to remove. And the portion which you want to remove has to be lifted carefully so that the other pieces don't fall out. In this area, I have to cut some human figures who are praying Lord Krishna. So watch how it is done. They are very small compared to the size of the Lord. So I will be cutting out the main figures on the sides. I will be making an animal also and two human figures on both the sides to balance out the figure. So I'll cut out a cow which shows the symbolism of the Gokul area, where the area to which Lord Krishna belonged. Two men praying on the right side and two women praying on the left side are enough to balance out the figure, and there is one cow which is standing with them. So watch how it is cut, and this is the main figure which works out. Now I am giving details. The lower part I will be using in the form of grass, and there are some stones around. The cutting is almost done. Now since the leaf was thin, I have to give shape to the main figure and try to assemble the parts. and I will be using leaf pieces and join them because the leaf is a thin one to give it proper. Now giving details on the right side of the mountain, and it's almost done. Give your comments, how did you like the video, and after you have made, you can share your experience in the comment box below. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you friends for watching the video. Hope you like it. Press the subscribe button and give your comments and give a like to the video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet next time with a new video. Till then, bye bye.